just lost control of it. The drone literally just took off.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. So today, guys, is definitely probably a really sad topic. Yeah, it's super sad. So as you guys see right here, I have the Syma drone that I bought from Costco. And when I first unboxed it, if you guys didn't see that video, it was right up there in the icon or down in the description. I flew inside the house and it was just super cool. I loved it. You know, even though the camera quality was, poor, it was still really cool. So what ended up happening though is I took it to do another video in the park. Alright guys, so we got the drone app here. It's all fired up. And yeah, it flew off into a tree.
We just lost control of it. The drone literally just took off.
The work way we put into getting this drone out of the tree was it's just nuts, guys. Like literally, like so much work just to get this drone out. And the reason why I do this is because I wanted to make this video, and also I want to do something that I think was even more important. I really just wanted to return this drone. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna return the drone. Like, I love the drone inside and it works great. So if you guys want a good indoor drone, it has a camera and stuff, it's super cool. But when I took it outside, it just wasn't worth it. You know, for a drone that flies off. When I figured out, never say anything about this in the instructions, in the description or nothing. It has probably about a range of about 10 feet. Once the controller gets out of the range of the 10 feet from the drone will just take off. Like, literally, that's what happens, guys. So it's just super disappointing because I thought this was a super cool drone, and if you guys really like this drone, like, drop a like, because it was super awesome. I loved it so much. Fortunately, guys, the drone is going back. I want to make this video to kind of clarify for the last video I made, like I said before, about how great this drone is. And yeah, it's a great drone for indoor flying. If you're gonna take it outside, don't. You're gonna lose it. I do plan to actually unbox another drone that has a camera here. Definitely, like, within the next few weeks. Just super excited how the channel's been popping, guys. Uploading tons of content. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys do that. Turn that notification bell on. And, if you guys want a notification, just let me know. # notification squad in the comments. And yeah, guys, drop a like for this drone. And, it's safe return back to Costco. I'm super disappointed. Another thing I want to bring up real quick is actually on the site, the reviews are 2.4 stars out of 51 reviews. Let's read a couple of reviews real quick. Went haywire after 2 flights. My son saved his money to buy this, and on the second flight just took off into the sky. No matter what she did. Disappeared. Don't expect any refund if it's gone. Uncontrollable. No, not worth it. Upon his first flight, it just started up to go up and up and up, and we couldn't see anymore, and that was it. We basically paid $1 for every second of fun because it only lasted 30 seconds. Before we could no longer see in the sky. A complete waste of money. Guys, this isn't just me. The batteries weren't dead. The batteries were fully charged. It's the drone itself. It literally will fly away. If it's not within like super close to you, it's not worth it, guys. Like, it's not even worth taking that chance of it going outside of that range by an inch and it just totally disappearing. It's not worth it. If you guys aren't already subscribed and have those notifications on, guys, do that right now. Join the Anthony fam. Turn those notifications on. Make sure you guys subscribe. We are just popping here on the channel. I'm uploading every Saturday and Monday. And starting at the end of October on the 26th with the new iPhone XR, we'll be uploading every single day. And that's just nuts. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah, let's just get like a rip in the comments for this drone. Get a rip in the comments for this drone because it's just so cool of a drone and it failed so miserably. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, rip, peace!